Najong! Phalen Lake offers two pathways of instruction, open to all students. Our Hmong Studies pathway, English instruction, for grades K through 5, and our Hmong Dual Language pathway, instruction in both Hmong and English for grades pre-K through 5. For future updates, follow our Facebook page titled Phalen Lake Hmong Studies.
Beginning in the school year of 22-23, our school hours are from 9:30 to 4 p.m. Citywide busing is also available to all students in the City of St. Paul grades pre-K through 5 to and from Phalen Lake Hmong Studies.
Now, please allow our school mascot, Ja the Dragon, to tour you around our school.
Phalen Lake vì der I liked Phalen Lake because everybody gets along and everybody's talented and everybody's kind of different and I like everything.
Kunya cha godovi cha godo vikunya godo.
Welcome to the Hmong Museum. My name is Sifu V, and this is in the Hmong Museum. We are very lucky that we have a Hmong house, and the children have the opportunity to come and explore this room to learn more about the Hmong culture.
respectful, be safe, be responsible, and be a learner.
Call today for a tour, 651-293-8935.
Apply now at apply.spps.org.